I'm going to teach you the melody of Sizinyoni. So here goes. This is the first part of the rhythmic vocabulary. Sizinyoni tina, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni tina, up 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni tina, up 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni tina, up 2, 3, 4. Right, so here are the letters. It's G, 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 A, G, F. 1, 2, 3. Watch again. G, 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 A, G, F. Here goes. I'm going to play it 4 times for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, 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 A, G, F. Up 2, 3, 4. G, 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 A, G, F. Up 2, 3, 4. G, 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 A, G, F. Up 2, 3, 4. G, 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 A, G, F. Up 2, 3, 4. Right, the next part goes Sizinyoni. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni. Up 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni. Up 2, 3, 4. Sizinyoni. And the notes are E, E, D, C. Up 2, 3, 4. E, E, D, C. Up 2, 3, 4. E, E, D, C. Up 2, 3, 4. E, E, D, C. Now remember this E, E, D, C part because that comes back in the chorus. And if you know this part, then you almost know the whole piece. So here's the whole beginning, first phrase. Up 2, 3 again. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. Up 2, 3 again. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. 3, 4. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. Right, the next part, the rhythmic vocabulary goes Siya, suga, siya, shala, up 2, 3, 4. 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 The words are siya, suga, they go away. Siya, shala, they sit down. Siya, suga, siya, shala. And the notes are C, C, D, E, then D, D, E, F. So it's a pattern that gets repeated 1 note higher. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, up 2, 3, 4. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, up 2, 3, 4. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, up 2, 3, 4. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, up 2, 3, 4. Right, remember I told you to remember this part here, which goes E, E, D, C, right? And I said it comes back. So this is how the second phrase goes. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, E, E, D, C. Then you do the whole phrase again. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, E, E, D, C. So let me play that whole part for you. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, E, E, D, C. C, C, D, E, D, E, E, F. Okay, I'm going to play the whole melody for you with breaks in between. So here we go. Up 2, 3 again. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. E, E, D, C. E, E, D, C. 1, 2, 3 again. G, 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 A, G, F, E, E, D, C. G, G, G. C, C, D, E, D, D, E, F, E, E, D, C. One more time. that's the end of Sizinyoni, everybody. I hope you enjoyed playing that and that your pupils will ultimately enjoy learning to play it. See you next week. Bye.